everybody. This is Nala Amari from Best RV in Tola, California. Everybody come to Best RV and say, Nile, you deal with this every day. I need your help. I need a Class A motorhome, but I don't want a big one. I don't want to drive a humongous one. I don't want to have the shaking when I drive it. My wife, she want to drive it, not just only me. So I need my wife driving the motorhome with me. And we don't want a big one. Well, Thor, they listen to us. Thor Motor Coach, they listen to us and they provide us a Class A motorhome where the wife and you could drive it. It's a 24.1 Vegas. As you see this motorhome, tip to tip, around 26 feet. It drives like a small truck. You don't have to worry about driving this motorhome. This I'm presenting you today is a brand new 2025 Total Motor Coach Vegas 24.1. And this one sitting on a Ford chassis, which is the same chassis as those Class C's, except they make a Class A body on it. So the beauty about it, you're still getting the big view of the Class A. You have the nice windshield in the front, as you see, is one piece windshield. You don't have the cap over your head, so it does not give you the shadow. It gives you more bright, as you see. And you drive, again, small, like a small truck. So the people who buy this unit, specifically, they're looking for small size. So Thor Motor Coach in the Vegas, they provide us everything you would think about it on a Class A. Number one, they give you a gel coated side walls. So as you see, this is more shiny, it's smooth. You don't have the gelamination. You don't have the fading. The second thing, they provide us a frameless window on the windows in the front, big windshield, a lot of storage. Even if it's a small Class A, they still give you a plenty storage for outside. So you have this big storage in this side. You have one 10 plug in case if you want to put a TV outside. They give you the outside sprayers if you want to rinse your dogs or feet coming from the beach. You have the endless hot water heater, as you see here. And still, you have another solar prep outside if you want to add your solar prep. But look, even if it's a small, you need to look at this humongous storage they give you in the back. That's what I really like about the 24.1. It is small, but look like big. It is small, but it has huge storage in the back. And the beauty about the storage, I could access it from those three sides. So I could go get it from this side, that side, or this side. And there's has one 10 plugged in, so I could plug it in anything I want outside. In the back, they give you everything like a Class A motorhome. Nice bumper to protect your motorhome from any accidents, or when you back up, you protect your fiberglass. Class 3 hitch, 7-way plug, backup camera, and they give you the ladder. So this is the advantage of the Vegas. They give you everything as the Class A. The big one, they put it in small. Now coming over here, they give you the power cord, steady amp plug, cable hookup, city water connections. It has 55-gallon unleaded fuel. They give you the 4,000-watt generator, and this is California certified for carb. City water connection, outside shower hot and cold, another base storage, and then they realize every single compartments in this unit, and then the same propane size tank as the Class C's. The nice slide out with the slide toppers. Now, the beauty about this unit is they give you the two single bed, one in each corners, and those bed I could convert it to king size bed. Let's go inside the Vegas and show you what's the Vegas 241 inside offering. As I said, it's nice Class A, so it gives you the nice look on the front, and I say it again because I want to emphasize that, is you have the nice opening, and it has the same seats at as the Class A. Yesterday, I had a customer came to our dealership. You want to buy a Class C motorhome, but when he came in, I talked to him on the phone. I told him yes, we do. And when he came in, and we took him to show him the Class C, the one is made by Ford, he cannot sit in the driver's seat because he have a big leg, long legs, and the dog house was so difficult for him. So we tried to show him a Class A, and then he in love with the Class A because when you come in, I don't have a we call it duck house or engine duck house, so I don't have it there. Easy, look, easy. I could sit and I drive, and then I drive with this, putting these two arms on my handles. Look how I drive, easy. So that's what the advantage for you to buying a Class A versus Class C is some people they cannot sit on the driver and the passenger seat of the Class C4 chassis because they have the big duck house feel. With this motorhome, you don't have that difficulty. And I'm sorry I'm talking a little bit longer because I want to show you the pros and the cons of each models and educate you and give you more information that will help you in making your decision. So that's what I'm saying on this Class A Vegas, as well the other classes. They don't have the duck house, easy to get in, easy to get out. And for a big guy not like me, they have more room. They could sit like you are sitting on a nice recliners, easy to drive the motorhome, the steering wheel, and so on. Now let's go back and show you the feature of the 2 4.1. Now, as soon as you walk in from the entry door, you have a nice hide-a-bed sofa, and it has armrest. And again, those tables, you don't have to use them. I mean, I can show you without the table. Try to help you see. You can see very nice sofa, and it is hide-a-bed sofa. So this is a completely bed, come all the way down, and it come with those end tables to help you. Where if you put these end tables, and they have also extension if you want them longer, they come with this. So you can put this the end table like that, and you have a laptop. You have my plate of eating while watching the TV. The beauty about this unit is the height of it is facing the TV. So I'm kind of sitting here, I could watch the TV right there. As well, the upper bunk over the driver and passenger could watch the TV while it's sitting in that position. So after the height of bed, typical Italian cabinet. I love those cabinet. I wish I have LED lights, you name it, complete. And across from it, we have the nice kitchen. It's a full kitchen, so it's giving you the two cabinets. On the top, you have extension countertop to give you more counter space, or you have a nice prepping area on the left side and the right side of the sink, deeper sink with a high rise faucet. It has the extension, the plug. Let me just take this so you could see, and it has the extension for the plug and USB. Nice shape. They're really very easy to get in. Place for trash can, pencil doors, actually silverware doors, as you see, and they're also closing. Cooking pans door. Coming over here, you have a nice convection microwave, so you could cook if you want to in this microwave. And we have the Domatic with the backsplash to burner, propane, and then it has protection right there. So you could see this kitchen is complete. Coming down here, give you an idea. Going over here, we have a full RV refrigerator with a 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. And then we have a full closet. This is the ladder for the upper bunk, and this is the table going between the driver's side and the passenger seat. Doors for underwears and socks and so on. And then this is what I really like personally, the bedroom. This bedroom, as I said, I snore at night. My wife always wake me up, say, wake up, you're snoring too much. Well, if you have that problem, like me, you don't have to worry. Wife sleep in this side, you sleep in that side, and you have a nice separations. You can see, I could sleep, no problem, and you can snore as much you want. But if you said, now I'm a big guy, I am big guy and I need a nice bed and I need a king size, it's very simple and easy. Look how so simple and easy. All I do, watch, I flip it. Voila. Look how big the bed. One piece bed. You sleep here, you sleep here. You cuddle both of you guys, no issue. Now, nice thing, look all these cabinets. I want to show you these cabinets for you. And there has LED lights. It was this. Beautiful, deep. There's also nets for your cell phone to put it here. Cell phone, USB plug, 110. Plus you have your own TV, so you could lay down here, watch the TV. If the cameraman closed that cabinet for us, now you could see the view of all these cabinets. You could sleep that way if you want, east to west, or you could sleep north to south. When you flip this one, you have plenty of. And now, when you're done bed, it was simple and easy. You just flip it and use it as a table. Put your laptop, books, water, and they utilize all this. There's underneath here storages. In some areas, as you see, storage benches, access storage for you. Put your blankets and shit. Now, you see how so easy, how to get in and everything. Plus, if I want to go to the bathroom, voila, I close this. I come here, and then I turn my light, and I have my own sink. I do my shaving. I could sit on a toilet. No problem for knees. I could stand in the showers. Look how high. Privacy. I go to the closet. I dressed up. I could grab my stuff from the closet. I could use this as a dressing room and make sure I look good for my videos. So that's the advantage of this bathroom. It's very roomy and it's still on a 24 foot. That's the beauty. It's easy to drive. I don't know how to emphasize how easy to drive. And then when I'm done, I close this and I close this on the cameraman. Come on in. And look how roomy it is. See, very roomy. The beauty about this one, it has electric shades in the front, and we're gonna demonstrate this for the benefit for you. So when I turn off the engine, I come to this control panel. This is the brain of the motorhome, and you could do everything here. So I could do lower the bed, and you could see I'm lowering the bed. And you could see nice bed, sleep two people. There's nets. You could push those nets and come with a ladder. And it's very easy. If you want to put this bed up, all you do like this, keep pushing it, and that's the beds go up. So this motorhome is loaded. All you need to turn ignition and go camping. Has generators, has AC, it has awning, you name it. Voila. And then just to show you how easy that shade, I come over here. And then you have the nice, beautiful shade. Voila. And then if you need this, do this. And you do that side. And by the way, the mirrors, they're electric, they're heated, and then there's the three cameras. There's a camera here on the corner, on the left, camera on the right, camera in the back. I sit, I enjoy, I turn my engine, and bon voyage. Come to Best RV so you could do the same things.